push the wig cap back because I don't like the way it's looking. So now I think I'm just actually about to hot comb it a little bit and then melt it with some mousse. In my hair, this is heat protectant. This is the flat iron and I'm gonna put it for like $3.90. So let's see. I'm loving it. It looks pretty natural. Yo, this look like a silk press at home or when you get silk press at the salon. I am impressed. Yay! What? You see this? This is nice, yo. I mean, y'all see me with different combs, but yeah. I like this. It's really pretty. Cute. Y'all, I absolutely love this box Unice, and it's glueless, y'all, so it's protecting my edges, okay? All the information about this wig is in the link in my description, so definitely check it out. whatever. Now that this place is cut off more, because it was some excess wig that needed to be cut off. It wasn't given too natural. So, but now we're gonna lay it back down. I'll be back. I really like this wig. It is easy, it is convenient, y'all. It's even breathable. Like, all this air is going right through, so this is definitely good for the summer when it's hot. The fact that it's glueless, y'all. Hold on. Boom. Put it back down. Okay, y'all, so I'm really feeling this wig, y'all. It is breathable and it's easy and convenient, perfect for the summer, y'all. This is a bob, y'all already know, Bobbiana for the summer, y'all. But yes, I absolutely love this wig. One thing that I did notice is when I was laying it down, I had to trim off some excess lace, and I feel like it makes it look much natural once the excess lace is trimmed off. But other than that, y'all, this is a perfect beginner summer bob wig, y'all. Like, I'm a beginner myself, and this is my first time installing a wig on my head. Usually I do it like on my mannequin head. So yeah, this is definitely perfect for beginners. It's giving natural, very much so. Like, look at this hairline. Like, what? Oh my gosh, Unice, y'all doing it. Like, they're making wear and go, y'all. This is such a lovely bob wig, y'all. I'm amazed by this. Like, I don't wear bobs. Y'all see me, I'm always wearing like some long hair or something. But this right here, it is giving all the hair. It looks so natural. Like, I'm amazed. Yeah, I really love this. Oh my god. I hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as I did. Thank you so much, Unice, for this great quality hair. This bob is so amazing. It's perfect for the summer. Like, best believe I'm wearing this in the summer. I'm not like, I will see you in the next video, okay? Bye.